Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, we're live.
Really? Oh, all right.
We're live.
Okay. So you want me to tell them what we're gonna do?
Sure.
All right. Well, we're in the Ferrari Maserati dealership here in Spring Valley, New York, and I'm a drone pilot, and I brought a tiny whoop with me, and I am actually going to fly around in the dealership and do my best not to hit any of these $100,000 plus cars. And see how much fun we can have. So I just came up and talked to Mike, and he was all about it. So I figured I'd see what we can do. So here we go. We'll get her going.
Let's give it a shot.
All right. We'll fly the perimeter of the showroom here first. Okay. All right. Here we go. Come by us first.
Justin's joining us from Mexico.
All right. We go around this side. Come around here. Let's check out these Ferraris. Here we go around the front of them. Very nice. Look at these cars.
Oh, wow.
Come around the front here. Come on back. I've got one for you. Let's
Oh, there it
let's
is.
see what this interior looks like in here.
Oh, wow.
Nice. That looks like a pretty decent interior in that one.
Wow, that little thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's cool.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go inside the Special. That's the car you just went under.
This one right here?
This one there.
Start from the front then.
Yeah, let's start from the front.
Here we go.
See, are you doing it? Are you flying it?
Not me. Are you kidding? I wreck every
Is that
car.
the video of it? You see my ass?
Yes, we do.
You're live on.
Oh, actually, go ahead and plug. I got some foam going on in my goggles because I'm a little warm. So. Right, let's do it again. Here we go.
How do you get it on yours? Oh.
I'm just simply recording.
He's got his glasses on.
Look, here it is.
Oh, calm down. Oh, shit.
Hey, don't move. That moving gate is harder to hit than a stable gate. There we go. Let's go behind and see if we can get
Oh, wow.
in there. Oh, the legs.
You're on camera, huh?
How about this guy?
That's pretty cool.
Let's get that Special right there.
This one we're on?
Yeah, that one.
That's it. That's what we're talking
Let's
about.
get a nice fly around this guy. Alright, that thing looks sweet.
How about the interior? Watch this.
Let's go in here and check out the
Justin's watching right now.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
That's nice. There we go, down this end.
good stuff, you guys. Alright,
Look at this guy.
let's do one more lap around the outside. All the way around.
Wow.
Oh, looks like there's these signs here.
You hit one?
Let's go around. Alright, how about under this Ferrari here?
Wow, that's really cool. It's got a little fuzzy, but
Yeah.
get this guy walking in the door.
Door, center door?
Oh, I just heard so there he is, right there.
Be coming around.
No, he's coming toward us right now.
Alright, let's get him.
There he is.
There he is. Hey, let's do an orbit around this guy. He does not know what.
Better not lose an eye.
Alright. That is battery discharge.
That was cool.